Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload videos to Revid.ai. So from here you will just select the option short video generator or add caption to video. So I will just select it add caption to video. So from here you will see upload your video or audio file. So I just tap on it, click here, and you can just select it from your desktop and just tap on it, and let's see. So here is uploaded my video. So I will just a little bit scroll down. From here you will just customize option, add videos footage to illustrate the content, and you can use high quality audio transcription. So I will just tap on this generate video. So it will preparing everything. So you can wait for it build for 9 to 10 seconds. So here right now I am not available to use this feature, but upload feature is like this, because after purchasing you will be able to generate the captions on your personal upload videos. So the basic thing is that the topic is how to upload videos to Revid.ai. So you will just select the option from here, and a little bit scroll down, you will just tap on it, and you will just upload the video from your desktop. And if you want to see the output example, so just tap on it with a hide eye.
At the bottom and feels like they have nothing going for them, reframe that as I have nothing going for me, which also means that I have nothing to lose by taking action. It makes you a much
So this is how you can just upload the videos on Revid.ai. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.